Viresh sat on hunger strike. Along with him, some others also joined him in support. I have to give credit to the Honorable Chief Minister for having walked that extra mile along with Minister Subhash Shirodkar and going to Azad Maidan to appeal personally to MLA Viresh Bodkar to call off his hunger strike. Because I'm told his condition was slowly deteriorating. So it was not an easy gesture.
इतल्या लोकांमध्ये वचप जे
100%
एंगर
to go in through so many people and approach him. It definitely reflects on his character too. Ultimately, Viresh went for the BSc meeting. I'm sure at that BSc meeting, CM must have again spoken to him. The speaker also went and appealed to him. So all these issues, I think, were enough grounds for him to withdraw. Now, whether he did not want to withdraw, or whether some others were pressing him to continue with it, I'm not too sure. But I'm happy at the end of the day, it's over.